है, हम कितने कैजुअली बोल देते हैं ना, ओ आई एम एन ओवर थिंकर, ओ आई डू ओवर थिंकिंग एवरी डे. ट्रस्ट मी, वी शुड नॉट टेक ओवर थिंकिंग लाइटली. Overthinking is a very dangerous thing. Overthinking silently destroys your peace, your critical thinking, your confidence. I lost so many opportunities because of overthinking. Hi, my name is Kiran and welcome back to our self-care journey. And आज हम discuss करेंगे what is overthinking and how we can manage it. Many people confuse overthinking with deep thinking. But overthinking is totally different from deep thinking. Deep thinking में हम slow down होके calmly जो भी हमारे दिमाग में थॉट आ रहा है उसको हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं ताकि हम उसका कोई सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकें. Deep thinking is closely related with critical thinking, जहाँ पे हम लॉजिक अप्लाई करते हैं, हम हर एक एंगल से उस थॉट को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं एंड इवेंचुअली deep thinking leads us to the solution. But overthinking is not like deep thinking. Overthinking में हम सोचते हैं कि we are solving the problem, but overthinking is actually a mental looping of your thought without a resolution. Overthinking में हम एक ही thought में stuck हो जाते हैं जिसमें हम उसको 10,000 times या 1,000 times अपने mind में replay करते रहते हैं without any solution. Trust me, replaying your past mistakes, any worst case scenarios, or future possibilities many times, multiple times on your mind won't give you any answer. At the end of the day, overthinking leads you to depression, leads you to the anxiety. Now, the question is if we think, right, that overthinking is this much dangerous, why our mind overthinks? So, इस क्वेश्चन से पहले हमें ये समझना है कि हाउ आवर माइंड वर्क्स. हमारे माइंड का जो सर्वाइवल मोड है इट्स ऑलवेज ऑन. ओके, हमारा माइंड इज वायर्ड टू स्पॉट अ डेंजर. सो हम कभी भी फ्यूचर पॉसिबिलिटीज या फ्यूचर के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं या फिर सोचते हैं अपने माइंड में, आवर माइंड कॉन्स्टेंटली स्कैन्स द पॉसिबिलिटीज and it generates what if scenarios. Okay, so it's the mind habit. It's not working against you, but it's trying to protect you. Okay, if you have ever been judged or if you have failed or criticized, our mind remembers that pain. So हम वो mistake दोबारा ना करें. So to prevent that, our mind replays that scenario again and again. Now, what should we do, right? So that our mind can be trained and it can avoid these situations. हमें अपने माइंड को ऐसे ट्रेन करना है ताकि वो ओवर थिंकिंग को डीप थिंकिंग में कन्वर्ट कर सके. ओके, सो द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हिच यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग योर थॉट्स. आपको अपने थॉट्स को स्टॉप नहीं करना है या फिर आपने ये नहीं सोचा ओ आई डोंट वांट टू थिंक अबाउट दिस, नो नो नो, स्टॉप इट, नो नो. आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है. आपको अपने आप को ऑब्जर्व करना स्टार्ट करना है. आपको अपने आप को टाइम देना है. ओके, सो व्हेनेवर यू स्टार्ट ओवरथिंकिंग, ओके, यू हैव टू कैच योरसेल्फ. आपको अपने आप को नोटिस करना है, ओ आई हैव स्टार्टेड ओवरथिंकिंग. देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई अ 10-minute rule. Okay, that okay, what is this 10-minute rule? So when you started overthinking, you have to think, okay, is this something which I can control by taking an action in next 10 minutes? If yes, then you have to take the action. If no, then you have to let that thought go away. Now, how you let your thought go away? The easiest way to manage your thought is by writing them down. Start writing down your thoughts. Once you start writing down your thoughts, you will have the idea ki, oh, this thought is important because I have to take the action against this thought. Oh, this thought is not important because I can't help it. This is somewhere in the past. I can't change my past. So you will have that moment where you'll start thinking in a logical way about all these thoughts. where you will prioritize what thought is important, what thought is not important. If you don't have a copy and pen at that time, you can simply write it down anywhere, right? If you have a laptop, you can use a Word pad, notepad, or even an Excel. If you have, like, everyone has the phone, right? So you can open a note and you can write down your thoughts. So you have to break down your thoughts, okay? So this method is called mind dumping or mind mapping, where you are mapping or designing your thoughts based on the priority which needs your immediate attention, which needs your immediate action, and which doesn't need anything, and under the thoughts where you cannot do anything. So those thoughts where you cannot do anything, you cannot change anything about that thought, you have to let that thought go away. So that's how you have to train your mind. If you started writing your thoughts, I believe you'll be able to overcome the overthinking. Okay, so writing your thoughts down will also make your thoughts manageable, and it also clears your mind. Okay, please remember, no one is perfect in this world. We have all made some mistakes, right? So stop seeking perfection and start choosing yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you overcome your overthinking. See you in the next video.